Class discuss about the isomers. Isomer is classified to constitutional isomer and another one is a stereoisomer. The constitutional isomers is otherwise classified into chain isomer, position isomer, functional and metamer and tautomers and ring chain. It is the main. Explain this one by one. First one is the constitutional isomer. This type of isomer have the same molecular formula but different in their bonding sequence. That is structural or constitutional isomerism is further classified into following types. First one is the chain isomer. This isomer differ in the way in the which carbon atoms are bonded to each other in a carbon chain, or in other words, isomer have the same molecular formula but different in their nature of carbon skeleton, that is straight or branched. Example of chain isomer, that is the examples 1, 2, 3, all of the same molecular formula, that is number of carbons 5 and number of hydrogen 12, but the carbon skeleton is changed. First one is a straight chain, so number of carbon 5, though n-pentane. Another one is a 2-methyl butane, and last 2,2 dimethyl propane. All of these the same formula, that is C5H12, but the skeleton of carbons is changed. That is the chain isomer. Next, another one is position isomer. If different compound belong the same homologous series with the same molecular formula and carbon skeleton but differ in their position of substituent or functional groups or unsaturated linkage, that is the example of positional isomer. Both have the same molecular formula C5H10. The first pent one in, then the double bond is present in first position. Then the second example is pent 2 in, so double bond presence in second position. This is the example of positional isomer. Then another example of same positional isomer. The both of the same molecular formula C5H10O. The first one is the ketone group attached to the second position. Then second is the ketone group attached to the second position, but both of pent 2 in and pent 3 in, which is the same molecular formula but position only change. Next one is another isomer, that is called functional isomerism. Different compounds having the same molecular formula but different functional groups are said to exhibit the functional isomerism, that is called functional isomerism. The same molecular formula but different functional groups attached, that is the functional isomerism. This example of functional isomerism, both having the same molecular formula C3H6O. First one is the aldehyde CH3 CH2 CHO. that is all functional groups present the aldehyde. Then the another examples of keto groups, ketone. So CH3, CO, CH3, but both of these the same molecular formula C3H6O, but different in functional groups. First one is the aldehyde presence and another one is the ketone presence. Then the another example of functional isomer C3H6O2. That is a two functional groups present there. One is acid, another one is the ester. But both of these are same molecular formula. First one is the CH3CH2COOH propanoic acid, and another one is the CH3COOCH3 methyl acetate. That is the same molecular formula but different in functional groups. That is the functional isomer. Next, metamerism. This types of isomerism is a special kind of structural isomerism, arises due to the unequal distribution of carbon atoms and either side of the functional groups or different alkyl group attached to the either side of the same functional groups and having the same molecular formula. This isomerism is shown by the compounds having the functional groups such as ether, ketone, ester, and the secondary amines between the two alkyl groups. The example for metamerism, that is a three compound presence thus, but all of the same molecular formula C4H10O. All of these are same functional groups, but the different in alkyl groups. First one is the methyl propyl ether. So one side of methyls, another side of propyl. Then another one is the diethyl ether. Then another one is the methyl isopropyl ether. All of these are same molecular formula and same functional groups but different in alkyl groups. That is the example for metamerism. Next, another one is the tautomerism. It is a special type of functional isomerism in which a single compound exists the two radically interconvertible structure that differ markedly in their relative position of at least one atomic nucleus, generally hydrogen. The two different structures are known as the tautomerism. There are the several types of tautomerism, and the two important types are dyad and triad systems. Then the examples of tautomerism. In the system, hydrogen atoms oscillates between the two directly linked the polyvalent atom. One is the hydrogen cyanide and another one is the hydrogen isocyanide. First one is the hydrogen bonded with the carbon, that is the hydrogen cyanide, and another one is the hydrogen bonded with the nitrogen, that is called hydrogen isocyanide. In these examples, hydrogen atoms oscillate between the carbon and the nitrogen atoms